The world runs on a fragile thread of electricity. When that thread snaps, chaos can follow. A blackout isn't just an inconvenience. It's a test of your preparation and resolve. In an instant, comfort vanishes. You're forced to rely on your instincts and what you've prepared. The difference between panic and control, preparation and knowing what to do in those first critical hours. In this video, we'll break down the 7 essential rules to help you protect your home, keep your loved ones safe, and stay ahead of the chaos. These are practical, life-saving actions anyone can learn. Ready to face the darkness and come out stronger? This is your guide to mastering the blackout. When the power abruptly goes out, plunging your home into darkness, it's easy to feel disoriented and uncertain. But amidst the sudden change, remember that some resources become more critical than others. Water, often taken for granted, immediately becomes your top priority. It's essential for survival, hygiene, and maintaining a semblance of normalcy during an emergency. Electricity powers the pumps that bring water to your taps, so act fast before the reservoir drains. Time is of the essence. Fill every available container you can find, pots, pans, and especially your bathtub. Don't hesitate. Every drop secured now is a potential lifesaver later. A standard bathtub can hold up to 60 gallons of water. Use it strategically for cleaning tasks, flushing toilets, or, if properly treated and purified, for drinking. Ensure it's safe before consumption. Purify potentially unsafe water by bringing it to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute, using readily available water purification tablets, following the instructions carefully, or investing in a quality water filter designed for emergency situations. Never risk drinking water that is questionable in its origin or appearance. The consequences can be severe. Don't forget to consider often overlooked hidden sources of water. Your hot water tank can hold a significant amount. Canned goods often contain water or liquid, and even melted ice from your freezer can provide a temporary supply. Ration your water supply immediately. Aim for 1 gallon per person per day as a starting point, and adjust upwards for children, the elderly, or pets who may require more. Keep your drinking water completely separate from the utility water you're using for hygiene, sanitation, and cleaning purposes. If the power outage drags on longer than anticipated, consider setting up a system to collect rainwater using tarps and containers. As a last resort, a swimming pool can provide a large volume of water for sanitation purposes, but only after heavy purification and treatment. In a crisis, every single drop of water counts. By securing your water supply, you've already won your first and most crucial battle for survival. Master the art of water conservation and procurement, and you're already significantly ahead in facing any emergency situation. With water secured, a fundamental element for survival, you've addressed a critical need. But the challenges don't end there. Water is just the beginning. Your next fight, and it will be a constant battle, is against the elements. Extreme heat, bitter cold, relentless winds. These forces can quickly become your enemy. Understanding how to mitigate their effects is paramount. Don't try to heat or cool your whole house. That's an inefficient use of precious resources and energy. Focus your efforts strategically. Instead, pick one small, insulated room as your survival hub. This will be your sanctuary, your refuge from the harsh conditions outside. Choose a room that's easy to seal off and maintain at a reasonable temperature. In cold, seal drafts meticulously. Every crack and crevice is a potential entry point for the frigid air. Layer clothing. Multiple thin layers trap more heat than a single bulky one. Think base layers, fleece, and an outer shell to block the wind. And use body heat. Huddle together with family or friends to share warmth and conserve energy. Physical contact can make a significant difference in maintaining a safe body temperature. Only use indoor safe heaters with a carbon monoxide detector. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer, and proper ventilation is crucial when using any fuel-burning appliance indoors. Battery-powered detectors are a must-have. Never use outdoor grills or stoves inside. These are designed for outdoor use and release dangerous fumes that can be deadly in an enclosed space. In heat, keep windows and curtains closed by day. Block out the sun's rays to prevent your survival hub from turning into an oven. Open at night for ventilation, when the air is cooler. This allows you to flush out the hot air that accumulated during the day. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate the effects of heat and lead to serious health problems. And use damp cloths to cool down. Apply them to your forehead, neck, and wrists to help lower your body temperature. Misting yourself with water can also provide relief. Use basements for coolness as they tend to be naturally cooler than above-ground spaces. Limit activity. Strenuous activity generates heat, so conserve your energy and avoid unnecessary exertion. And sleep low or in hammocks for airflow. Hot air rises, so sleeping closer to the floor can help you stay cooler. Hammocks promote air circulation around your body. Watch for hypothermia or heat stroke. These are serious medical conditions that require immediate attention. Know the signs and check on the vulnerable, especially the elderly, infants, and those with chronic health conditions. They are more susceptible to temperature-related illnesses. Sleeping arrangements matter significantly when trying to regulate body temperature in extreme conditions. Huddle for warmth, sharing body heat to combat the cold and conserve energy. Spread out for coolness, allowing for better air circulation and preventing overheating. Endurance is key. Maintaining a positive mental attitude and persevering through discomfort are crucial for survival. Controlling your core temperature is not a one-time fix, but a constant, active process. It requires continuous monitoring, adjustments, and proactive measures to stay within a safe range. Smart choices here can save lives. Every decision you make regarding temperature control can have a direct impact on your well-being and survival. Stay vigilant, stay comfortable, and remember that your ability to adapt and manage your environment is your greatest asset. In a prolonged blackout situation, the absence of essential services can quickly transform everyday routines into significant challenges. One of the most critical of these is access to running water. Without running water, hygiene becomes a survival issue. Basic tasks like washing hands, cleaning food preparation surfaces, and maintaining personal cleanliness become exponentially more difficult. The risk of infection and the spread of disease dramatically increase when proper sanitation is compromised. To manage waste effectively, especially human waste, use a two-bucket system. This is a simple yet effective method for containing and managing waste when traditional plumbing is unavailable. Designate one bucket for urine and the other for feces. This separation helps to control odor and makes disposal easier and more sanitary. Line each bucket with heavy-duty garbage bags to prevent leaks and make cleanup simpler. After each use, cover the waste with litter, sawdust, or even dry leaves. These materials help to absorb moisture and reduce odors. Wet wipes, while not a perfect substitute for soap and water, and hand sanitizer are essential for maintaining some level of cleanliness when water is scarce. Keep a generous supply on hand. Keep hands clean to prevent illness. This is your first line of defense against many common diseases that can spread rapidly in unsanitary conditions. Maintain dental hygiene. Neglecting oral health can lead to infections and other health problems that are best avoided during a crisis. Set up a hand-washing station with stored water. Even a simple setup with a container of water and a dispenser can make a significant difference in maintaining hygiene. Stock a robust first aid kit. Ensure it contains a wide range of supplies to handle various injuries and illnesses. Include trauma supplies such as bandages, tourniquets, and antiseptic wipes to deal with more serious injuries. Don't forget over-the-counter meds for common ailments like pain, fever, allergies, and digestive issues. Keep a detailed list of all prescriptions, including dosages and schedules. This is crucial for managing medications effectively and communicating with healthcare providers if necessary. Always have extra medication on hand, enough to last for at least several weeks, if not longer. Have a plan for those medications needing refrigeration. Consider using a cooler with ice packs or a portable solar-powered refrigerator. Assign hygiene rules to all members of your group. Implement a no shoes inside policy to minimize the introduction of dirt and germs into your living space. Establish a clear waste disposal system to prevent the accumulation of garbage and maintain a clean environment. Designate a cleaning area with all necessary supplies readily available. Discipline in cleanliness keeps disease at bay and morale high. A clean and organized environment contributes significantly to mental well-being during stressful times. In a blackout, you are your own first responder. Be prepared to handle minor injuries and illnesses yourself. Protect your health. It's your most valuable asset. Prioritizing hygiene and sanitation is not just about preventing disease. It's about preserving your ability to cope and thrive in challenging circumstances. Darkness breeds fear and confusion. Conquer it first. Use LED flashlights, headlamps, and solar lanterns. Never rely on just one source. Stock batteries and use hand crank or solar-powered lights for sustainability. Candles are a last resort. Use with extreme caution. Once you have light, secure your home. Lock all doors and windows, close curtains, and don't advertise your preparedness. Reinforce entry points with bars or dowels. Make your home a hard target, not an easy one. Discuss a family safety plan, safe rooms, self-defense tools, and what to do if someone tries to enter. Light gives you control inside. Security gives you peace of mind outside. Stay low profile, stay alert. Both are essential for weathering the storm. Food is fuel and comfort. Start by triaging perishables. Eat or cook them before they spoil. Keep fridge and freezer doors closed to preserve cold as long as possible. Transition to your non-perishable stockpile. Canned goods, protein bars, dried foods. Have at least 2 weeks worth of food that needs no cooking or refrigeration. Master power-free cooking. Use a propane or butane stove, grill, or rocket stove, always with proper ventilation. Practice using these tools before you need them. Solar ovens are great for long-term outages. Slow, but sustainable. Don't forget morale boosters, coffee, tea, spices. A smart food plan keeps you healthy and hopeful. Stay fueled, stay strong. In a blackout, information is survival. A battery-powered or hand-crank emergency radio is your lifeline. Tune in for official updates and weather alerts. Conserve your phone battery. Use power banks or solar chargers. Keep a hard copy list of important contacts and physical maps. Don't rely on digital devices. Use whistles and flares or mirrors for signaling if needed. Walkie-talkies are invaluable for group communication. Assign roles for monitoring news and watching your surroundings. Have a communication plan with family and an out-of-state contact. Staying informed and connected keeps you one step ahead. Survival is a marathon. Manage your resources, morale, and relationships. Conserve everything: water, food, batteries, fuel, and energy. Inventory and budget your supplies. Hold regular family meetings. Discuss supplies, concerns, and decisions together. Assign everyone a role, even kids. Purpose and teamwork boost morale. Break monotony with books, games, and routines. Laughter and hope are survival tools. Connect with neighbors. Shared skills and resources make everyone stronger. Keep cash on hand. Digital payments may not work. Store important documents in a waterproof, portable container. Always have a bug-out plan. Where to go, what to take, and how to get there. Prepare for the worst, adapt for the best. Endurance is built on smart planning and teamwork. These 7 rules turn a blackout from a crisis into a challenge you can handle. Preparation, adaptability, and teamwork are your foundation. Take action now. Build your kit, stock up, and talk with your family. Every step you take is an investment in your safety. Build community, share knowledge, and fuel your resilience. By preparing, you're taking control, not giving in to fear. Stay prepared, stay connected, and stay safe.